Sure it does. All of the advantages of these machines have advantage no matter what the pricing is. But having said that, whether that is a generic industry-wide advantage or a narrow advantage for people who are trying to manage a handful of desktops or a large number of desktops, that is really the governor as to whether technology is adopted very widely or very narrowly. It can certainly work out that way. I mean, in the discrete PC case, we're provisioning for the boundary condition, right? It's just that simple. You've got no choice. You run out of memory, you're done. But in this type of environment, there is a lot that is shared implicitly, and there's a lot more that we could share explicitly, truth be known. So yeah, there's a future in this stuff. Let me do it the other way. Here's what you don't do. Because you use 11 terabytes, you don't make every disk drive in your enterprise a 30 terabyte disk farm, right? You don't accommodate the boundary condition. The capacities in this, I mean, we're a storage outfit. So I love capacity. Sure, love for you to use all the capacity in the world, but optimize that capacity. There's a psychological reason and a state reason. State reason is that virtual desktops are virtual desktops by virtue of being completely independent and discrete. We can reproduce that paradigm, right? Reproducing existing paradigms is always a good idea because they exist because people are used to them at least. Sometimes they exist because people like them, right? It is very easy to see how a desktop can act as a standalone container for a specific task. Very easy, right? Consider video editing, video downloading, all of the links and bookmarks associated with the sites that you work with, all of the tools that you use to promote such an environment, plus the resources associated with that. Typically a video editing machine is a more memory-rich environment than something you use to browse the web, right? Now you can use that same machine, there's no question about it, but it adds to the complexity of the machine, it changes the resolution of when it's backed up, it changes the hardware characteristics of what underlie it. If we turn all of this into just virtual whims, we make it easier for people to do stuff. Always something important in our industry. As an evolution, it's a possibility, right? As a direct next step from what we've got now, we understand fully featured discrete computing systems, PCs, right? Hypervisors allow us to create very large numbers of them. For the next moment, hypervisors are the best thing anybody ever thought of. They're terrific because they give us the ability to use a paradigm, right, that everyone understands, and to completely undercut it, take the legs right off of the thing, right? Oh, we understand a PC. Well, here's a PC. It has no keyboard, no mouse, no screen, no computer, no power supply, no disk drives, but it's a PC. It's a lovely idea. Okay. We can build on that idea.